Hello and welcome to Creative Hub AJ. Today we are going to make a torn paper effect in Canva. It's also called as how to pop out of a ripped paper hole. So let's get started. We will go in a create a design section and we'll search for Instagram post. I have choose this one. You can take photo from Canva library or you can use your own photo also. I am using this photo. We will select this photo and will duplicate it, and we will remove background of one photo like this. Now from the element section we will choose for paper hole. From photos section we will choose the one which we like this. Now we will position the torn paper to backward and we will choose this image. We'll remove its background and we'll place over it. Drag it on the position like this and crop it to make a look like the head is popping out. A torn paper effect. Look how pretty it is looking. We will download from here in a PNG format. For many such amazing content, subscribe to Creative Hub AJ. Thank you.